Hey everyone, today's video is the 5th segment of Jazz and I's journey on creating our half pipe in our own backyard. As you can see, it's quite a project. It has been quite a project. It's coming along pretty well though. I'm making good headway. This part is going to be discussing how to place or where to put your coping at the top, how much reveal you want or how far recessed you want it. I've seen one guy's YouTube video and it was pretty cool. He created like 2 little gauges and he cut a piece of PVC pipe out the same diameter as the coping he was going to use. In his case, it was 2-inch. We had a hard time finding our pipe. We found 1.5-inch pipe. Jazz had to go way down like an hour south here to get it. Appreciate you, Jasmine, getting that. So we're using 1.5-inch pipe. So come over here, I'll show you what I did here. So our mini ramp it's going to consist of 2 layers of plywood and then a top final layer of fiberboard. It's like they call it Luan at Lowe's. It's a paintable composite piece of 4x8 sheet. It's super smooth. It's 5 millimeters thick. So I'm going to glue it down over top of both these 2 once I'm all done. So what I did is I created some gauges here. I took 2 pieces of the plywood that we're using, glued them together, and then I took some cardboard that was literally the exact same thickness as the 5 millimeter top board we're using, glued them all together, created 2 gauges here, and then I took a piece of cardboard, like this one I'm holding, and I put it up to the end of the actual pipe that we have, and I marked it, circled it, and cut out this piece, which is the exact same size as our pipe that we're using. So I already made that side, and you can see Jazz gets a shot of that. The coping's already clamped up there. It's ready to screw in. This side here, yeah, you can see she got a good shot of the pipe there. Those are just clamped in. This side here, it's exposed so you guys can see the channel that I've made here, and you can see this. You're going to have to adjust this to your liking, but we literally have this set. The pipe sits right down in that valley right in there. I will cut this off here on the corner and make the pipe fit in there. But you can see we've got about 1/2 inch of reveal on the transition side and on the deck side, roughly about 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit less. And that's what we wanted. So it's working out perfect. So being the fact that we used a 1.5-inch diameter pipe, I had to change this up a little bit here. Normally you would use 2 pieces of 2x4 right here, one vertically like this one is, like this one, you can see this one. And then the other one's going to be the same angle as the top of the ramp there, and they kind of sit like these 2 are sitting, right? But because we're using an 1.5-inch diameter pipe, I couldn't use another 2x4 right here because it would stick out too far. So I had to go to a 1x4, and it's working great, works great. These are pressure treated as well. So this was not easy to do this, but I got it all lined up, and we have about 1/2 inch of reveal both sides. So super, super nice here. So once you get your little channel made, and that's where your pipe's going to sit down into, you actually have to connect the pipe to the ramp, right? So you get yourself some clamps like this, and the pipe's heavy, so you might need some help. Get it up there and you clamp it down, so make sure it's seated down in that channel all the way like it will be once it's ultimately bolted. So now that once you have it clamped like this, and you can see from the side it's sitting right down in the channel, all you do is come around behind the back, and you just drill up through here, and you drill your drill bit all the way up through the wood until you hear it start scoring into the metal. Okay. Once it scores into the metal, good shot there. Once you score all into the metal and get your marks, pull the pipe back off, set it on the ground, and then use that same drill bit and just finish it off and drill those holes for the pipe. And then in our case, we're going to be using what's called a J-bolt. I don't have them yet because they're super hard to find. I couldn't find them anywhere. Ace, Lowe's, Home Depot.
Well, stainless.
We found an internet, like a farm place that sells.
Because they need to be stainless steel.
Yes.
Not zinc. We found zinc.
Found zinc at Ace, but
you don't want
deteriorate.
Zinc. Yeah.
So we're going to be ordering some stainless steel online to finish this off. So I got the hardest part done. Drilling the holes and putting the J-bolts in is not a big deal, so I figured I didn't want to bore you guys with that part of it. Just wanted to discuss this and explain how to put your pipe down. So I hope this makes sense for you guys. I hope it was helpful. It's a lot of fun doing this. We're having a lot of fun building this ramp. I am. and I can't wait to skate it, but I'm really taking my time to try to make sure everything is perfect. I'm not a professional builder at all, but I've done a lot of research, and I learned one thing: measure twice and cut once. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, we'd like to hear your comments or any other suggestions on building. If there's any builders out there that know more than me, for sure, let me know. Help me if you see something that doesn't look right. I'd love to hear it, because I just like to learn. And we like to teach you guys what we learn. So we're learning how to build this, so we're teaching you guys what we're learning. So we, again, hope you found it useful. If you did, hit that bell and like, comment, and we appreciate you guys checking out our channel. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.